In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share WP Engine hosting access in 25. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to easily grant access to your team or collaborators, ensuring they have the right level of control over your WP Engine projects. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your sites hosted on WP Engine. From here, head over to my.wpengine.com. This is the place where you can manage user access and team settings for your WP Engine hosting environment. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the option that says Users or Team Access. The exact wording may vary depending on your specific plan, but essentially, you want to find the section where you can manage team members and their permissions. Click on this to proceed. Now you should see an option to view the users by clicking on Users in the left sidebar. If it's not immediately visible, you might find it under the Settings menu, then Users or Team Members. Once again, depending on your WP Engine plan, navigate through these options until you locate the User Management section. When you are in the Users or Team Members section, you will see an option to add a new user. Click on Add New User to initiate the process of granting access to a new person. This step is crucial because it allows you to dictate who can enter your WP Engine environment and what they can do once inside. Following that, click the Add User button. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to give access to. Make sure this is accurate because the invitation will be sent directly to this address. Double check for typos and ensure you're using the correct domains if you're dealing with a company email. After entering the email, it's time to assign the appropriate role. WP Engine offers several roles with varying levels of access. You might consider an admin role for someone who needs full control over the site, a developer role for those who require limited access, or a read-only role for someone who just needs to view the content without making changes. Once you decide on a role, click on it to select. Following this, you'll see an option to send an invite. Click Send Invite. This sends an email to the person, inviting them to join your WP Engine account with the role you have assigned. The new user will receive an email invitation. After receiving the email, they need to click the link provided, which guides them to the login page. They will log in and gain access to your WP Engine site according to the role you've granted. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share WP Engine hosting access. Now your team members can collaborate with you efficiently, armed with the right permissions to perform their tasks.